Hi, I'm Barb Bariza. I'm the HR manager here at Deco Products. Today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about what it takes to be a paint line employee here at Deco. The daily job of paint line employees is to hang parts for powder coating, take off finished parts from the paint line, and ensure that products are powder coated and packaged per customer specifications. The paint line operates Monday through Thursday, 5 a.m. to 3 p.m., and employees enjoy a 3-day weekend after finishing their work week. A successful paint line employee will have excellent attendance, good hand-eye coordination for hanging and taking down parts, and enjoys working the 10-hour shifts in a social environment with a small team of around 20 people. On the paint line, employees stand about 95% of the time. Lifting requirements for boxes are up to 50 pounds, but generally, boxes are between 10 and 25 pounds and lifted multiple times in an hour. This position requires no prior work experience or knowledge of manufacturing. However, we do require that all employees are to be at least 18 years of age and have either a high school diploma or GED. The expectation of every employee is to contribute to our positive culture and perform job duties and responsibilities to the best of their ability, with both instruction and support from supervisors and managers. If you would like to learn more about job opportunities at Deco Products, check out our employment page on our website or contact our HR recruiter.